Hello, my name is Mike Sims and I'm the welding instructor here at the Mid-Ohio Valley Technical Institute, and I'd like to take a little bit of your time to tell you about our program. The welding program here at the Mid-Ohio Valley Technical Institute is a 2-year program. And what that means is that first year students come in the morning, second year students come in the afternoon. That's typically is juniors in the morning and seniors in the afternoon. But if you would want to become as a first year senior, you could come in the morning, take the first year of the program, and then come back after you graduate as a post-secondary student for free and finish up the program. In the first year of study, we always start off with safety. Safety is very essential in the welding field, and that is always a big emphasis in our program. Then, after we get through the safety, we start into the cutting processes. We start off with oxy-fuel cutting, plasma arc cutting, and carbon arc cutting. Then, after you all spent many hours of cutting, then we start into the welding. The first welding process that we start with is shielded metal arc welding, which is commonly called stick welding. You guys will learn all the parts of the welding machine, the different types of electrodes and their uses, also along with how to prepare and fit up the base metal. By the end of that time, we're usually at the end of the first semester. Then starting in the second semester, we kind of switch gears to a different welding process, which is called gas metal arc welding, commonly called MIG. And then we go back through this again. You learn all the parts of the welding machine, all the parts of the wire feeders, and again we spend many hours welding and learning how to perfect these skills. Also, during the first year, you will get your certification in OSHA 10, and if available, you will get your Rig Pass certifications. Both of these certifications are very beneficial to you in helping gain employment. The second year of the program is where things really start getting fun for you. That's when you come back and you start working on your welding certifications. Again, we start off in the fall of your second year with a whole different welding process. We start off with what's called gas tungsten arc welding, which is commonly called TIG welding. Again, we start back over again by learning all the parts of the machine, all the different techniques used to weld with TIG welding, and weld in every position. Then you guys will really start working on your welding certifications. You want to try, as a senior, you want to try to leave here with as many welding certifications as you can. Each one of these certifications will be very beneficial to you down the road for gaining employment. Another great thing about coming to the multi for welding is that you get college credit for the classes taken here. These EDGE credits, as they're called, can help you test out of a lot of classes at WVUP and Northern Community College. Also, the skills that you gain here, if you would choose to go to a Hobart Welding School or Tulsa Welding School, can help you test out of a lot of their classes. In closing, I would just love you to come to the multi and be part and look forward to seeing you in the fall. Thanks.